I'm Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for A Elox. This puzzle is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So, this is a packing puzzle that has 2 layers. As it's presented, they ask you to fit all the pieces into the frame. Of course, they have 2 pieces sitting outside of the frame that you need to incorporate into this mess. So to start with, let's just dump the whole thing. Okay, so we're just going to worry about the bottom layer to start with. We're going to place that in the top corner, our blue and our white. We're going to go grab our purple, set it down here. Going to put that green there. Going to put this pink in the corner here. Okay, so this is going to be your first layer with all the pieces in this arrangement. So we shall start with this piece will go onto the blue. Let's see if I can get you a clear shot of it. It's a little dark, and it'll just sit like that. Then we'll grab this piece. I guess I could, yeah, that's not a bad contrast. This piece here. And we will set it. I'm already screwing up. Oh, I already screwed up. Oh, I'm screwing up. Ah, geez. Okay. You know, we'll start with this piece here. This piece here, it will go like this onto the blue. I messed up. Okay. Then this piece again. We'll go there. Then we shall put this piece right here. We shall take this piece. We'll put it on the green. We'll take this piece that I screwed up at the start with, and we'll actually put it on the red. And this piece on the pink. On the green. On the yellow. And then our final piece. So there's the solution. I'm going to aim it so you can kind of just see the pieces. They kind of disappear in the shadow. So if you just wanted a finished product to look at, there it is. Now, I like to actually reset all my puzzles, typically. to like how I got them manufactured. So I'm going to dump this all out and I'll show you how to reset it to that original state. So once again, we'll just worry about the bottom pieces. We'll put the blue and the white. We'll grab our purple. Put our red up there. Our green and orange. We'll put our green like that. Our blue and yellow. And then our pink goes in one of these side holes. That will be our bottom layer. And then our top layer, this is our piece that goes in the corner. I'm actually just going to hold it up at that angle. That'll be easier. So we will put this piece down here. We will put this piece here. And there we have it, just like we got it back. We just got it fresh from the manufacturer. All the pieces are in there, they're kind of locked in. Just a nice way to store the puzzle. I'll hold it up at that angle, so if you just want to freeze it and work from it, you can. Okay, well thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.